Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we want to make an arrangement that's just using some dried materials. Now, the reason I'm wanting to do this is because in the garden I was kind of trying to tidy up an area that was a bit rough and ready, and I found these pieces of wood. So just some old stumps of trees that have been kicking around for ages, and I was going to throw them out, and then I thought, hang on, I'm a flower arranger or a florist, so these might come in handy. So of course now I've got them, I've given them a clean, and it's nice to use them. So we can use these, and actually I think what's quite interesting is we can use this base as a bit of a base as well. So putting them onto this colour background is not going to be that exciting. So we can place these, and I was thinking, what can I use with them? Now, in the garden, we had lots of sunflowers and they were really, really big. And I wanted to keep some for using, but I wasn't sure how I was going to use them. So I thought this might be a nice combination. And working this way, the problem is that the heads are really facing down the way. So if we turn it upside down, that has got such a great shape. So we can just add that onto our wood, and straight away we've got the start of a good design because we've got a line going through it that extends out through there. Now, just to complement that then, I've got some nice palm leaves. Now, these were the phoenix palm, and I just plaited them and wove them. And then once you've done that, you can use them fresh, but you can keep them and let them dry. So that's what we've done. And I just think this will give us a nice contrast. So straight away you can see, and this is just like into a little hole in that piece of wood, and into another little hole. So again, these have got a nice shape. With the palms, when you weave them, you can leave the bits at the back or you can trim them off. I decided to leave them, which is fine. But you can take them off if you prefer. So when you're making something like this, you want to just maybe think about where you're going to put it, but also, is it going to be seen from all round? Is it going to be seen from one side? You've got options. And in a way, it's quite nice just to make something that hasn't got fresh flowers, because we don't always have access to fresh. And even this leaf we can use, which is from the sunflower. Just bring that in. So that is really it. We've just kept it quite simple, so just limited materials, but materials that have got quite a lot of impact. So we've got the wood as the base, which grounds the arrangement. We've got our nice focal points of the sunflower heads, and then we've got the interesting line that's added with our palm leaves. So an interesting little arrangement, and maybe something that you could try at home as well. And yeah, just something a little bit different. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, click here to subscribe. We've got new videos every week, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.